If you want to block AnyDesk on your Windows PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method to block the application using Windows Firewall, and then I'll show you how to disable its auto start so it doesn't launch again when your computer starts up. This is a useful approach if you want more control over remote access software on your system, or if you simply want to prevent AnyDesk from connecting to the internet. And before we begin, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, we're going to block AnyDesk through Windows Defender Firewall. This method is effective because it stops the program from making outbound connections, which means it won't be able to communicate normally over the internet. To begin, open the Start menu and type Windows Defender Firewall. Then open Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security. This is the area of Windows that gives you more detailed control over app rules and network access. Once the Advanced Security window opens, look at the left panel and find Outbound Rules. Right-click on Outbound Rules, then choose New Rule. This starts the wizard that lets you create a custom firewall rule for a specific program. When the wizard appears, select Program and click Next. Choosing Program means you want this rule to apply to a specific app, not a port or a custom network condition. Now you need to browse for the AnyDesk executable file. Click Browse and locate the AnyDesk installation folder on your PC. In most cases, the file will be called AnyDesk.exe. If you're not sure where it is installed, you may need to look in Program Files or the folder where you installed the application. Once you find the executable, select it and continue. On the next screen, choose Block the connection and then click Next. This is the key step that tells Windows to stop AnyDesk from sending or receiving network traffic through the outbound rule you're creating. After that, you'll see the network profile options. Make sure all three boxes are checked: Domain, Private, and Public. Selecting all three ensures the rule works no matter what type of network your PC is connected to. Now give the rule a clear name so you can recognize it later. For example, you can name it Block AnyDesk or AnyDesk Firewall Block. You can also add a short description if you want to remember why you created it. Then click Finish to save the rule. At this point, Windows Firewall should now be blocking AnyDesk from connecting out to the internet. Next, let's stop AnyDesk from launching automatically when your PC starts. This is important because even if the app is blocked, disabling Auto Start makes sure it doesn't keep opening in the background. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC together to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in compact mode, click More Details so you can see all the tabs. Now go to the Startup Apps tab. Here you'll see a list of programs that can launch when Windows starts. Look for AnyDesk in the list. When you find it, right-click on it and choose Disable. This will prevent AnyDesk from automatically running every time you turn on your computer. That's really all there is to it. You've now blocked AnyDesk using Windows Firewall and disabled its startup behavior, which gives you much better control over when and how the application runs. If you ever need to reverse these steps later, you can simply return to the firewall rules and delete the rule, then go back to Task Manager and re-enable AnyDesk in the Startup Apps tab. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Windows tutorials, app blocking tips, and PC security guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.